In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync files and folders to Microsoft OneDrive. Syncing your important files and folders to OneDrive is an excellent way to ensure that they are safely backed up and accessible from anywhere. So let's get started and walk through this process together. First, you'll want to locate the OneDrive icon on your taskbar. This icon looks like a small cloud and is typically found alongside your network or volume control icons. If you can't find it immediately, expanding the taskbar might help. Once you've found the icon, simply click on it to open OneDrive. Next, in the window that appears, look for the gear icon, which stands for Settings, and click on it. This icon is usually located in the top right corner of the OneDrive window. Clicking on this will open up a menu that provides various settings options for your OneDrive application. In the menu, you'll want to select and click on Settings. This action will open another window with several tabs, each allowing you to make specific customizations to your OneDrive setup. The tab you're interested in here is called the Accounts tab, which contains options related to your OneDrive account preferences and management. After selecting the Accounts tab, you'll see various options related to syncing. From here, you should click on Choose Folders. This step is crucial as it allows you to specify which files and folders on your device you want to sync with OneDrive. This feature gives you control over what content you keep backed up and available online. When the Choose Folders dialog appears, you'll see a list of folders from your computer. Each folder will have a checkbox next to it. Go through this list and check the boxes for the folders you want to sync with OneDrive. It's worth noting that you can sync entire folders or just specific subfolders within them depending on your needs. This flexibility allows you to save space by avoiding uploading unnecessary files. Once you've selected all the folders you're interested in syncing, click OK to confirm. By doing this, OneDrive will begin to sync these files and folders to the cloud. This process might take some time depending on the size of your selected data and your internet speed. You'll know it's working when you see a sync status, such as a spinning icon, next to the OneDrive cloud icon on your taskbar. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully set up OneDrive to sync your files and folders, providing you with peace of mind that your important documents are safe and easily accessible. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you need to adjust which folders are synced or to make additional customizations. Thanks for watching and happy syncing.